In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always be online on Slack and always appear active. Slack uses a built-in activity system to decide whether your status shows as active or away. In general, if there's no keyboard or mouse activity for several minutes, or if the app is pushed into the background on mobile, Slack will eventually switch your green dot to an away indicator. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the main ways to manage that behavior while staying within the tools and workflows described here. First, start with Slack's native settings before using anything external. Open the Slack desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Then click your profile picture, which is usually located in the bottom left corner or sometimes the top right, depending on the layout you're using. This opens the account menu where your presence controls are available. Once that menu is open, look for your current status indicator. If you're showing as away, select the option that says to set yourself as active. This manually pushes your status back into active mode. It's a simple change, but it can help immediately if Slack has already marked you as idle. Next, make sure your computer itself is not interfering with Slack. If your system goes to sleep, turns off the display too aggressively, or reduces background activity, Slack may stop syncing properly. On Windows, open Settings, then go to System, and then Power and Battery. Under Screen and Sleep, change the timeout options to Never. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to Lock Screen, and set the display timeout when inactive to Never. This helps keep the Slack app connected and responsive in the background. If you need a more persistent solution, the next method is hardware-based mouse emulation. One option is to use a physical mouse jiggler or a rotating platform. This is especially useful on work computers where you can't install extra software. You simply place your mouse on the device and it creates small movements every few seconds. Those subtle shifts are enough to register ongoing activity with the operating system. On a personal machine, another option is a small Python automation script using the PyAutoGUI library. You would open a text editor, paste in the script shown in the tutorial, and run it. The script moves the cursor 1 pixel in one direction, then back again, and then waits for 4 minutes before repeating. That timing is designed to stay comfortably below Slack's idle threshold while keeping the cursor movement minimal. If you ever want to stop it, you can end the process safely with a keyboard interrupt. That's the full setup. And if you follow it carefully, you can make your Slack presence much more consistent.